Give me an O. Give me another P. Give me an S. What does that spell? What does that mean? Welcome to January Pops, presented by the 3rd grade.
We would like to welcome all parents, grandparents, relatives, people who wandered off the streets to get warm.
You can't say that. Just get on with the introduction.
Okay, this year at Pops thing is teamwork. Many of us watched the Summer Olympics in Rio and we witnessed a lot of teamwork.
Yeah, those games were great, but did you know that there are other Olympic games that were held with just animals? Today we are here to tell the tale of a trumpet underdog by the name of Olympic. I repeat, Olympic. Olympic!
Hello sports fans, I am Joseph Frederick Cook here at the Animal Olympics, ready to talk to our local star, Boomer. The other animals in the Olympics will be stronger and faster than you. Tell me, Boomer, how can you possibly win a gold medal tomorrow?
Oh, I'm sure I'll win. If you practice and try your best, you can do anything!
Boomer spent the rest of the day practicing as usual, and he spent the night dreaming of Olympic glory as usual.
The sun was bright the next morning, and so were Boomer's spirits. Today all the Olympic dreams would come true.
Look at all the fast animals in this race. Now, are you worried about winning?
No worries here. Hard work and practice make an Olympic champion!
Finally, Boomer heard the words he'd been waiting for.
On your mark, get set, go!
Boomer took the loss pretty well.
Why? Why did this happen? I mean, this is really bad. Why? I want to break up. Why did this happen?
mistake.
A mistake? You're right. This was just a mistake. I am sure I will do better in my next events.
Boomer tried but failed at his next 3 events. First up on the high jump is Rocky the Flying Squirrel. As we can see, the judges have given her a high score. Next up, you'll see how Boomer does. Our next event is weightlifting. We have Cooper lifting 600 pounds. Super job. Boomer is up next. Can he beat Cooper? Perfect score. Oh, good try. But I don't think you made the score. But finally, we have wrestling. Oh, I think I want to watch this. You can do this at home.
And now Boomer was battered. He was bruised. But he knew that he had the best side in the Emerald Kingdom. One pig, one pool, he could do this. Boomer did not like his score. He lost it.
You cheated! Who made you lost? Lawsuit, buddy! This is an outrage! I'm telling my mom!
Boomer burst into the locker room, feeling hurt and angry and sad.
I am hurt, angry, and really sad. Someone made me realize you're nothing to me. I did not want those rotten reporters to say, I told you so!
Luckily, Cobra and Laura had an idea in mind.
Mrs. Boomer, your son lost every competition. He threw a temper tantrum and quit before the final event. Tell me, how do you feel right now?
My son may not be perfect, but he is still my special little boy. Boomer, wherever you are, I love you and I'm so proud of you.
Boomer did not feel proud. Olympic champions did not. Boomer did not feel proud. Olympic champions did not quit. They practiced hard, they tried their best, and they never gave up. There was still one event left.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am sorry about losing my temper. Without further ado, I will now perform my routine for the gymnastics grand finale. But, you need a score of 2 million out of possible 10. You will never win. The lowest score in Olympic history. Any final words for our viewers at home? Well, maybe I didn't win the gold medal today, but I realized something very important. I realized today has been a very terrific practice for the Winter Olympics.
And so the lesson we can all learn from Boomer. It doesn't matter if you don't succeed at first, but remember to keep trying and never give up.